Stop Kids Bus.
Bumblebees. What are bumblebees? Bumblebees are big, fuzzy insects with small wings. They buzz as they fly. Bumblebees have large, hairy bodies. They can be black, yellow, and orange. Hard at work. Bumblebees live in forests and fields. They often nest in grass or the ground. Bumblebees have long tongues. They suck up nectar from flowers. Bumblebees carry pollen from flower to flower. This lets plants make seeds and fruit. Growing up. In spring, the queen bee builds a nest. She lays eggs and gathers food. Worker bees hatch first. Soon they find food for the colony. Workers care for new larvae. Larvae grow in wax cells and become pupae. Pupae become adults. By summer, the nest buzzes with life.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.